Alright, I've got this tape right down to the bottom of this header board because I'm going to be staining it in place. Then I'm going to be painting the wall, but I don't want the stain to get on the wall and interfere with the paint or bleed through or anything, or keep the paint from sticking. Alright, so I'm getting it nice and tight right down to the back side to bottom edge of this header board. This is behind the scenes. Alright, something I normally wouldn't be videotaping, but we're gonna videotape this. Piece it where I can. Alright, but then often you'll be able to get it started at the corner to get it underneath. And if not, you get it right up next to that edge. And you put a little, just kind of swipe it by the edge to tape. And then you push it to the wall and it gives you a nice tight fit. Alright. Alright, I'm getting ready to stain this edge. This is just some stuffing, alright, material type stuffing. And that way it will hold some of the stain. Okay, you see the stains up. Takes the stain really well, really quick. And then we're gonna go over the whole board. All right, this header board. Okay. Very clean. All right, now you want to smooth this out because I focused on the outer edges. All right, to get the bull nose. Zoom in so you can see. You can see the round over here, better known as a bull nose. And I made it paid extra attention to that. All right, so now I'm just kind of blending it in. So the stain just flows and looks like it's been sprayed on here. Next I'll be polyurethaning, putting polyurethane on to seal it in there. Now remember, when you're spraying on a vertical surface, you have to be careful you don't overspray or else you'll get runs. Alright, so I'm spraying the top and the front edge of this bull nose, and I'm coming across and overlapping. Okay, then I'm starting up here, I'm overlapping when I start my spray. And then I come back on the face and I work it down, overlapping. Then I catch the very bottom. And in. All right, just about done. Behind the scenes. Something I just normally wouldn't be showing. Right, catch this edge. I should probably have on a mask. Just to hold your breath as much as possible. All right, I'm going to call that good. Okay.
Okay, now.
All right, you want to take this off before it glues itself to the wall and dries and glues itself to the wall. This is a door stop, all right, for your door. Now I've modified, this, all right, because the original bolt and nut, this is what you're getting, all right, that's what's inside. This washer comes up and pinches it against the rail track and stops it. It's a little small. These door stops are designed for more of a round, what they're calling a round rail, all right? But by modifying them, okay, you're increasing the nut, the bolt's length and diameter, and it fits in here perfectly, all right? And it's a little bit bigger around, a little bit longer, and then what I'm going to do, all you do is you bring this here. You bring this inside of here, all right? And now you see the diameter of this washer. It's not quite big enough for this rail. So you get the bigger washer. It's about a 1/2 inch, all right? It's a little overkill, but it's perfect for what you want to do. All right, you need to screw this down here. Push it in. All right, get this tightened up. And there you go. Now, if you don't like that, okay, and I'm going to paint all this black so it all is going to blend in to start with. All right. If you don't like that setup, you don't like all the play you have in this washer, okay, put this on top. And now you can lock this down, put your wrench on it, get it tight. And that's your door stop for your door, okay? And when you spray all this black, it'll blend and it'll look nice. And that's all you gotta do for your door stops. And I got these at Tractor Supply, all right? These were a few bucks for this setup. I just bought I think these are, what is it, 1/2 inch, 3/8 nuts and bolts here in the oversized washer. All right, I got all this from Tractor Supply. All right, well, this concludes the behind the scenes video. Things that just only wouldn't be showing, but I'm going to be painting these black. I'm going to coat them with the polyurethane. I always coat my paint with polyurethane. It preserves your paint and helps it. It's scratch resistant and, you know, allows the paint to look longer, nicer, longer. You can also use polyurethane on your switch plates for your light switches and your plugs, outlets. Polyurethane them and you'll keep them clean. You'll be able to wipe them clean when they get dirty, especially if they're wood or plastic even. So, I'm Ken. This is Home Improvement Tips, aka Z2 Tips and Tricks. So thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of my community. It means a lot. If you ever have any questions, feel free to ask. So take care, God bless, and never give up, because there's always a way, always, and take the time to do it right, and you won't go wrong.